Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that the original true depth camera assembly stays with the device. This is the only way to keep Face ID. Once done, power the iPad to about half charge and make a full backup so you can restore settings if needed. Next, organize tools and ESD protection. Make sure you have a precision driver, suction, and plastic picks. These first steps reduce risk and keep the original sensor ready for careful transfer or reassembly. Don't skip verification. Now move into the detailed middle work. Apply low heat to soften adhesive. Use suction and plastic picks to lift the display just enough to access the internals. Immediately disconnect the battery to prevent shorting, then locate and carefully unplug the true depth cable and any retention bracket screws. Transfer the entire original assembly if you're replacing the display. Make sure screws are organized and flex cables are never creased. Taking time here preserves the sensor's calibration. Finish by reconnecting the battery and true depth assembly, then temporarily boot the iPad with the display still slightly lifted to test Face ID enrollment. Once confirmed, power down, apply fresh adhesive, and close the display evenly. Use light, consistent pressure to avoid gaps. After full reassembly, go through Face ID setup and run a few unlock tests. If Face ID fails, power cycle, reseat the connector, and retry. If it still fails, stop and seek a certified Apple technician to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.